डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हम आज जो कि पिछले लेक्चर में हमने जो ये क्वेश्चन की थे, आज हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 से स्टार्ट करेंगे. व्हाट इज़ द ऑथर्स इनडायरेक्ट कमेंट ऑन सब्जेक्टिंग इनोसेंट एनिमल्स टू द willfulness of human beings. द ऑथर, आंसर इसका है, क्लास 12th के लिए है. The author wants to tell his readers that killing innocent animals for fulfilling one's whims and fancies is morally wrong. The Tiger King goes on a hunting spree and interferes with the course of nature by indulging in the heinous slaughter of tigers. It is ironic that Pat has other plans for a conceited man like him. The Tiger King does not honor the right to live of other beings. Fate pays him in the same coin by awarding him death through a wooden toy tiger. The author wants to drive home the point that all of us are subject to death. Death is common to all, and all beings have the right to life. Nobody to take away others' lives. The Tiger King breaks the divine law and so is severely punished by the divine power for his misdeeds. थर्ड है, ये याद रखना कि ये पेज नंबर 17 पर है टाइगर किंग के. हाउ वुड यू डिस्क्राइब द बिहेवियर ऑफ द महाराजाज minions towards him? Do you find them truly sincere towards him, or are they driven by fear when they obey him? Do we find a similarity in today's political order? The answer है conceited, ruthless, cruel, and driven by whims and fancies. The Maharaja belongs to the typical ruling class in India, devoid of any logic or reasoning power. The Maharaja is happy when he comes to know about the presence of the 100th tiger near a village. Although the Javan is an advisor of the Maharaja, he knows that going against him can have disastrous consequences. So the Devon arranges the Tiger King's marriage to a princess whose kingdom has a sizable tiger population. When the hunter tiger cannot be found, the Devon plants a tiger for the Maharaja to shoot just to save himself. When the king misses his mark, his men kill the emaciated tiger themselves to save their jobs. None of them want to incur his wrath by going against him. Undoubtedly, it is fear of the authority of the king that makes the minions work for the king. The situation in the present time is the same. Everybody has their own accustomed lies, injustice, and greed region supreme. Fourth है, can you relate instances of game hunting among the rich and the powerful in the present times that illustrate the closeness of human beings towards wildlife? In recent times, इसका आंसर है, in recent times, wildlife laws have been strictly enforced. No leverage is being given even to people with influence. A few Indian film stars were in the news for killing a black buck in Rajasthan during the shooting of a film. There, the black buck is an injured endangered species and is covered under the Wildlife Act. Another instance is of a former Test cricketer captain who killed an antelope. Antelopes are a rare species protected under the Wildlife Act, despite strict regulations enforced by the government to safeguard wildlife. Such incidents keep on happening. It is also obvious that there are many more cases involving the rich and powerful killing animals for support than are publicized. These instances illustrate people's insensitivity and their lack of concern and compassion towards wildlife, and also bear testimony to their conceited and eccentric ways of deriving pleasure by killing and destruction. Fifth question है, we need a new system for the age of ecology, a system which is embedded in the care of all people and also in the care of the earth and all life upon it. Discuss. Yes, being the इसका आंसर है being the finest creation, being the finest creation of God, man on the basis of his intelligence has dominated all other forms of life on earth. In a bid to satisfy his innumerable needs, man has altered the symbolic relationship between him and nature. Man's needs have changed into greed now. It is said the earth has enough for man's need, but not enough to satisfy his greed. This has led to a dismissal scenario in which we have to face problems like global warming, melting of polar ice caps, receding glaciers, soil erosion, pollution, depleting forests cover, and extinction of several species of flora and fauna. It is important that at this critical juncture, we need a revolution to save our planet and its ecological heritage. We need to put immediate checks on industrial activities, increase the forest cover, and let our earth remain green. Thank you. This is all for today.